Hey folks, welcome to the 65 Brief, where we explain Medicare in plain English. Today we're talking about a question a lot of people have when they're getting close to 65. How do I actually sign up for Medicare? Signing up for Medicare is one of the first big steps people run into when they're turning 65, and the process can feel more confusing than it needs to be. Quick note, this video is educational only and is not connected with or endorsed by Medicare, CMS, Social Security, or the U.S. government. Here's the first thing to understand. Signing up for Medicare is not the same thing as choosing a Medicare plan. First you enroll in Medicare, then you decide how you want your coverage set up. For most people, the starting point is Medicare Part A and Part B. Part A is hospital insurance, Part B is medical insurance, and you sign up for those through Social Security. Your first Medicare sign-up window is usually your initial enrollment period. It's a 7-month window. It starts 3 months before the month you turn 65, includes your birthday month, and continues for 3 months after. Now, some people are automatically enrolled. For example, if you are already receiving Social Security benefits, Medicare enrollment may happen automatically. But if you're not already receiving Social Security, you may need to actively sign up. And the easiest route for many people is to apply online through Social Security. You can usually sign up for Part A and Part B, or Part A only, depending on your situation. And here's where people need to be careful. You may be able to delay Part B if you or your spouse are actively working and you're covered by that current employer's health plan. The key words here are actively working and current employer coverage. COBRA, retiree coverage, VA benefits, and marketplace coverage are not all the same thing, so you definitely don't want to guess on this step. Now, once you have Medicare Part A and Part B, then you decide how you want to receive your coverage. One path is Original Medicare Parts A and B with a Medicare supplement, often referred to as Medigap, and an optional prescription drug plan. Another path is Medicare Advantage, also known as Part C. Now, the big mistake a lot of people make is waiting too long or assuming Medicare just happens automatically for everyone. If you miss the right window, you could have gaps in coverage, delayed coverage, or even possible late enrollment penalties. And the Social Security website even warns that there are typically lifelong penalties involved if you wait too long to enroll outside of your initial enrollment period or a special enrollment period. So the bottom line is this. First, know your timing. Second, sign up for Part A and Part B through Social Security. Third, once all that's handled, compare your coverage options before choosing any kind of Medicare plan, whether it be an Advantage plan, Part D, or Medicare supplement. This has been another episode of the 65 Brief. Subscribe for clear, plain English Medicare education without the confusion. Thanks, and we'll see you next week.